Welcome. Today we are looking at world wars and we'll start with the questions. Question 1A. Explain the causes of First World War. B. Identify the war's fronts during the First World War. Question 2A. Describe the new war methods employed in the First World War. B. Why did the USA enter the First World War? Question 3A. Explain the factors that led to the defeat of the Central Powers during the First World War. B. Name the peace treaties that the Allies signed with the Central Powers after the First World War. C. State the results of the peace treaty at Versailles. Question 4. What were the results of the First World War? 5. What were the aims of the League of Nations? 5B. Name the main organs of the League of Nations. C. State the functions of the League of Nations Assembly. Question 6A. State the achievements of League of Nations. B. What were the failures of the League of Nations? C. Why did the League of Nations fail in meeting its objectives? Question 7A. Explain the causes of the Second World War. B. Name the war fronts in the Second World War. C. Why did the Allies win the war against the Axis powers? Question 8. Discuss the results of the Second World War. Answers. Question 1A. Causes of the First World War. Colonial rivalry between the major European powers such as Britain, France, and Germany. Economic rivalry between the European powers due to the competition for raw materials and markets. The First and Second Moroccan crisis that arose due to rivalry between the French and the Germans over Morocco increased political tension. The arms races among the European powers caused a lot of tension that led to war. The systems of allies, namely the Triple Alliance and the Triple Entente, caused even more tension. After losing the Alsace-Lorraine provinces to Germany, France was spoiling for war to revenge. Nationalism all over Europe contributed to the war as the European nationalists contested for more power for their people. The Balkan Wars from 1912 to 1913 caused tension in Europe. The assassination of Duke Frank Ferdinand of Austria and his wife in Sarajevo activated the alliances already in place and war broke out. B. War fronts during the First World War. Western Front, Belgium, Britain, and France. The Eastern Front included Russia and the Balkans. The seas, Pacific North Sea. Question 2A. New war methods employed in the First World War. Use of poison gas by the Germans. Airplanes were used for the first time to bomb enemy camps in 1915. In 1916, the British began using tanks. B. Why the USA entered the First World War. Several people in the US pressurized the government to join the war. A secret telegram by the German Foreign Minister Arthur Zimmermann to the German embassy in Mexico urging the Mexico to attack the US annoyed them. If the Allies lost the war, her industrial and financial institutions were bound to suffer serious losses due to the close trade links with Britain and France. The British and the US intelligence linked some German sympathizers with industrial sabotage in the US factories through strikes and exploitations. Unrestricted submarine warfare by the Germans led to the entry of the USA in the war in April 1917 after Germany sank the Sussex. That is a British ship that was ferrying American passengers to Europe. Thanks a lot for listening to me. God bless you.